Over the years of painting, I realized how art heals, unites, and most importantly, helps you find you. Hi, this is Alika, an abstract realistic painter from India. Today we are going on a 1 week of fun and therapeutic learning. This course is specially designed by me for all my art lovers, beginners, and even for those who just want to relax and unwind. We'll get into 3 levels, where level 1 would be about the fundamental classes. We are first going to be covering the basics. So in case you're new to art, these classes would be absolutely useful and important for you. Level 2, where begins the fun part. Each day we are going to be getting into some fun and therapeutic painting sessions, and don't worry, the videos are detailed and I'll be there to guide you through. Level 3 is going to be a Q&A session where I'm going to be answering all your questions and also sharing with you a few important tips and tricks to make your art journey fun and easy. I am here to cheer you up in these 6 days, so let's live the good life with colors. Welcome to my course.